Good morning, honorable members. Nasigi, being a speaker chair agenda number 1, questions. Ahanbada, start question number 70. Hangbigadaba, honorable member Shri Surya Kumar Okram.
Sir, start question number 70.
A. The revenue impact of the recent GST bill. B. Whether there is any proposal to publish detailed list of commodity price under the existing combined tax and under the GST, and to see that the MRP is reduced. C. Whether it is a fact that under GST, Manipur would generate revenue of around Rs 150 crores to Rs 200 crores annually, and about 4,500 retail shops have already been registered for GST in the state. And D. If so, the details thereof.
Mr. Speaker, sir, sir, question number 70. The revenue impact of the question A, the revenue impact of the recent GST bill, it will be positive. State will stand to gain from the recent GST bill. B, whether there is any proposal to publish detailed list of the commodity price under the existing combined tax and under the GST, and to see that the MRP is reduced. No. C, whether it is a fact that under GST, Manipur would generate revenue of around Rs 150 crores to Rs 200 crores annually, and about 4,500 retail shops have already been registered for GST in the state. Yes. So far, 4,100 dealers have been registered under GST in the state. If so, details thereof. State is likely to get an increased amount of Rs 103 crores on account of GST revenue compensation assured under GST Compensation Act. Some more revenue increase will come on account of increased compliance and the Manipur being consumption state. So far, 4,100 dealers have been registered in the state, out of which 2,800 dealers have migrated from the VAT regime and the 1,300 have newly registered under GST.
Sir, supplementary amani kada thamjage. Koigi Honorable Finance Minister na pibirakpa report ki matungina revenue impact se positive laine haidana thambire sir. Ani suba question da commodity price under existing combined tax GST la aba matungda price aduga hana leiramba MRP hanagi price tuga GST la amatung da price si handhare haibagi kainodu khangma ngamnaba praja khangdaba mayam sida khangma ngamnaba akoi adugumbagi publish detail list ama publish tawbagi kaino leibra na hangjagi bani sir adu hujiki di proposal leiten hai sir masi athuba matamda praja singda khangba hadi GST la amatung tax hapsala matung gi price tuga hana leramba MRP gi price tuga kayam khena de habdugi praja da khangnaba almost akoi gi GST da puthoiba commodity list tugi akoi gi detail ama publish towiba athuba matamda yagadra haibadumaga sir aduga akoi GST sina akoi gi tax se akoi honorable leader of the house na nahamuk thambi ki da around 200 crore gumba koi GST sina kana ba yani hai aduga koi gi honorable finance minister na budgetary speech da around 700 crore gumba koi GST sina kana ba yai hai na thambi ki aduga around 4,500 shop sing GST ki makha da kaino tawre hai na thambi ki adu sida PB raiba kaino sina di details sida around 4,100 gumba koi GST ki makha da register tawre hai na thambire sir aduna sir sigi koi gi mamang da honorable CM na 200 crore gumba kana gani aduga budgetary speech da 700 crore gumba kaino tawgani hai adu sidana muk 130 crore on accounts of GST revenue compensation assured to be under GST Compensation Act and hai masi sir sida kitang confusion laiba si honorable deputy CM finance in charge na masi amtang explanation PB ba yagadra hai badum sir thank you
Howjiki honorable member na thambigi ba kasagi commodity mayam amagi existing combined tax ki makha de price ka GST ki laga khena bagi MRP rate khota hai bagi se masi yam seng na da commodity si honorable member su khambi angani commodity kaya no masing le duse it will be in thousands or maybe in lakhs lakani adu all those adu ki loin ma ki tawta ge di it will not be possible, it will not be feasible adu na taba swagi khara kanu taba khara common noiba kharegi adu analysis torga tawsi haib ta ge di that is feasible adu koi tawi hai adu na tana ngasai gi totally leiru mayam se loin tawsi ta ge di that will not be kanu tawgani adu ki mathakta even commodity amada ngasai pricing se amuk khena kaneba say for example se lakadu di akoi se da MRP lakanda tawdu se manufacturing cost ne the GST ne adudegi amuk transportation ki cost ka kari gatoga madui da lakane ba MRP se adu MRP si in some cases it is all over the nation you hoy khare dana regional oiba say for example kanu hairona belly strong da koi na hoy kanu tabu khob se da only sell for in Manipur ga na tharak pa yawi adu lakadu adudi Manipur khaktegi ne ba madu VAT ki kari ge adudi adagi lakadu do aduna MRP si adumai tong na lei adu hujiki hai ba same item che da koi na cement hai ne cement ki si su ai sai star gi ne I am just giving an example belly strong gi ne ani si gi manufacturing cost khena kani khena pa du gi matung ina ngasai gi MRP do adu su khena kane ba aduna ngasai gi laiba GST rate ki kari ge adu gi lak ko bi su lak ne da ngasai gi loina ma ki si torpo targadi adugedi it will be a Herculean task ada madu khakta honabada sangadoba ekhoigi effort sangado finance adu yengogedi sometimes that may be counterproductive aduna tabada particular mayamna pamba se item yankhai humpu haro ama haro sigi kan to se sida ongteng analysis torga masi pb ba yabra haigate that I think should be feasible adagi ngasai GST laga koina 103 crore ai minimum sima leire haina takpani adugi mathakta hengalpa yaba khopagi haina koina 200 hai adu ain khamada aina ningsing ba bawdedi ngasai gi high figure do si kakte na te GST degi lakpana to atei me amama lakado plus adu punja laga koi sibaw lakpi haina adugi figure ni ngasai GST ki na te ngasai gi haiba kano aisu often figure do later 400 haibra 700 haibra haibadudi ngasai atei me amam su leiriba kanu to godo state ki on kanu to mobilization to khopa aduna hayeng lakpa kandai da kayam oigedege haibadugi kanu to ai na hanju haije na for example in the state sale lakadu certain things are there goods were not kanu gi tax on goods were not shared by the state hauji ka cheda lani adu mathakta certain items for example ekoi kanu brick hairo adigi stone kanu gi crushing machine the produce hoise hauji ki madu tax ngasai tax lakpana adu gumadi ekoi na hawai hana ekoi na khongalam daba hojik na di khongpa yaba sibo mayam sima torga koina phajana kopna torga di haiba increase torga sumai dona adu phaugi lakpa yai haibagi kanoni koina haisi hekta koina down to at pura calculate torga sidi soidri haibadu di adugi wafam nate sida koina toba kansida ekoi haifet estimate ama si oige di si oirpa yai ama toge koina pari besi madudegi khat tathapsu yai aduga madudegi su hengatpa yai adu si swaiba chorakpa ama oigani haibagi adugi kanoni ain kamada honorable member na raise to wepa point khudima hujiki se dum cover torbra aina advance khanje
sir na clarification to birakpa yam nuaijare sir hujiki aina koigi detail ama commodity mayam khe Manipur ki context ta sir na thambirba dumaina akoi essential commodity se yankhai chamara chanira daily use ta tori mayam si angtang प्रजा सिंह खंगन बिब तारगदी अखोई मसीदा दाल द कया तारई नुती थाउ थुमसिन रेबसिदा कयाम तारई सीमेंट त कया को ओरई हाब मणिपुर की कॉन्टेक्स्ट ओइना ऑल ओवर इंडिया की नतब मणिपुर की सिदा ट्रांसपोर्ट यावरगा सिंगै संगई हाना MRP द सुंगै लेरमी हाबगी खरदी लेरमगनी सर मदु उंतंग याबिरगदी अखोई याम थुना तौबिबा यागद्रा हाबदमने सर थैंक यू
ai thamjagre adu mai de koi tobung amgani adu haise ko yam gyarbum kai thuna tongnaba ngasai ko ju survey toga kari kari no items of mayam gi kanu the view the thamiba sumai matang khangno khoning bai do madu item sing du thidoga ko yamna thuna hoji kai ba do ko publish to madu hona jage
Matangda start question number 71 hangwigadabana honorable member Sri R.K. Mo Singh.
Speaker sir, start question 71.
A. whether the government has any plan to install street lights LED in the main areas behind Governor Road and the eastern side of Nambul River, behind Kakulong and other major areas in Imphal city. And B. If so, the time by when they will be installed.
Pakhum Bibigadawana, Honorable Minister Power.
Speaker, sir, the answer to the question 7.1. A, the no. B, the doesn't arise. Thank you, sir.
Lairiba Koigi Governor Road, Hariba Imphal Manung the Quaidigi, sensitive area Haigadra, Bazargin Hek Mamang, Adagi Masidi Saliba Fire Brigade Tariba Mapam Museum Lairiba, Aduga Nambulgi Mapan Haigadra Kakulong Hek Maning Wiba, see, I'm a sensitive area at the Oibanina, at the main road, ma'am, see, low in a May Siloina Mactalabang at an LED lighting, Ado city security is sensitive oire, Ado Imphal Hek my own su Oibanina. Masidi Ayawakanda Honorable Minister na Handaki no bagi budget susi Loidorobanina session si Handaki Sitang scheme si Hapsan Biraga Mayam Yoba see the Natanate important areas in Falmanungida Simtang Tang Hapsan Biu priority that Hamaga Mapam say for both security reason Aduga Akogid Mayam Gidasu Pazanabagi Mayanganabagi su Masi Yanis the Yangshan Biraga Tang Tobiu Hide in Tamsanis.
Speaker, sir, कोई honorable member ना पुकर पिरे से हाँ नदे की सुममांग दे की सुअदुम हंजन हंजन पुकलगा लेरे वाफा ममने अदुबो हर बार normally कोई की लेरिबा इम्फाल एरिया के कोई बसी महूट की funding दगी थबक सी पैकेट पा दुगा sometimes महूट ना पैकेट रगना कोई MSPDCL दा कोई discom दा कोई intimate तोरकान दा कोई ना पैकेट पा माला इबा अदुबो हौजिक सु महूट की सु कोई intimation अम्मा लाक्त बनीना हरिबा कोई की not only अखोई जगह हजी पर्टिकुलर मेंशन तौरीब ऑनरेबल मेंबर ना मफम नत्रगसु अखोई इम्फाल की मम्मी मम्मी जगह से अखोई पवार की माइकई की पाइखलजी है अखोई REC की अखोना प्रपोजल अखोई चचरे अखोई REC नसु अयाब ऑलमोस्ट याबीबगी पोस्ट लेरे हेक लाप नॉट ओनली हजी मफम नतना पाइखनबगी अखोई कन्न थौरांग लेजरे हाइजना सुमाइना थमजगे थैंक यू सर
Matangda Hangbigadaba Honorable Member Sri T.S. Lokeswar Singh.
Honorable Speaker, start question number 72.
Ka Kundrakpam Kendra Phauraga Chatliba Imphal Cycle Road State Highway number 7 asida pothole semjiliba asi work order issue tawkiba leibra kha leirabadi contractor maming kari kaubage kanana subano ga karamba funding scheme gi makhada subage total estimate cost na kayano amasung gha ising ichaun maram oiduna lambi asida culvert tekpa thong damage oiriba landslide toriba asi semjinnaba sarkar gi kari thorang leibage leirabadi thuna paikhat piba yabra
Pakhum Bibigadawa Honorable Works.
Speaker, sir, answer to start question 7.2. Kada laite, kada mari lenate, the gada mari lenate, duka gagichi, quickang amend orga, kumzage, duka quimasi, Hausiki Handaki, sing a sauna duga, te riba, when no one give you sina, I'm the social libajagasi, quiggy program advisory committee to same what like Rabanina, Masi, equity the Kanaraga. Kari toba yagadage na khanaraga lairi ekuna dumaina toraga kuin khanarba matungdi yengchinjage na dumaina khumjage. Thank you, sir.
Supplementary amdang thamjage jigi Imphal Cycle Road State Highway number 7 se khoi national highway to jagulate sin thong mamangi demand discussions ru pugat bigre adu masigi lambi sida hana wow the issue to hraba portion amadi lo portion mari le huriba asim tanga khoi gi contractor singda amtang instruction to wer thuna pakipinana ba yagadra ai supplementary hange bani. Thank you.
Speaker, sir, akoigi honorable member na haibirisi summi akoigi mangda akoi hariba lambi se akoigi thapak manga akoigi wa order issue torga leiramba thapak singsi akoi amana akoigi thapak manga gi manungda akoigi thapak macha ama loisangre aduga lemhori mari si amount su chawba aduga contractor singsi akoigi leiriba fund gi position si ubada makoji suning dabra natragana akoigi leiriba akoigi handaki program advisory committee se da अखोना फजना हारिबा पोसी वा ऑर्डर पिरमे दु पैसादी लेतबा ओइबनिना मसी कमाय तौरगा खनरगा तौसी हायना खनरगा लेबिनानि अदुबु अखोना डिपार्टमेंटल ओइना अखोना चटप यादब खरदी दुम अखोना पाखतपादी लेजे अदुन हारिबा पुनमक्सी ऑर्डर पिरमबनिना को दरकार सु लेबा लेबसिंगदो येंकाना अखोना पाखतनबगी थौरांगदा दुम लेजरेना ए दुमाइना थमजगे. Thank you.
Matangda start question number 73. Hangbigadawa Honorable Member Sri Alfred Kangam Athar.
My respected Speaker, start question number 73.
A. The number of all government schools and colleges under Education Department in Ukhrul district. B. The teaching and ministerial staff strength in each institution and details of utilization elsewhere, if any. And C. The total number of students as per UDISE in the district.
Khumbigadabana, Honorable Minister Education.
Honorable Speaker, sir, start question number 73. 1. A. There are 132 schools in Ukhrul district. B, 2. Only one college, that is Pettigrew College in Ukhrul. It was established in the year 1965 and was converted to government college in the year 1977. B. Schools, there are 822 teaching staff and 109 non-teaching staff. Details of utilization furnished at Annexure 1 and Annexure 2. College, Pettigrew College, teaching regular 27, guest lecturer 11, then non-teaching 16, total 54. No employee of Pettigrew College is utilized anywhere. Total number of students as per UDISE in the district. School 9,741 students. College not related.
Respected Speaker, before I go into my supplementary, Hujik Minister Mashana, Honorable Minister Mashana Haijabire, Pettigrew College Kinama details the Mahakna Ashukle Shile details Pibire, schools Kinadi, only 132 schools Haraga Ehaki question Nadi, the teaching and ministerial staff strength in each institution. Hajabani, each institution gi details to the teacher as per name Hajabanate, the teaching and ministerial staff strength Hajabani in each institution, which means school-wise how many teachers are there and how many ministerial staff are there Hajabani. Details of utilization gidi annexure 1 to the Yaujar and Haibire, thanks for that. UDISE kidudi a problem lejide hakti, but just the fact that 9741 students lejare have in a population of 2 lakh in Ukhrul district today and having a student enrollment of just 9741. This shows that at least about 35 to 40,000 students are enrolled in private schools. The other thing, Honorable Speaker, sir, is that in this 822 teaching staff, details Pirak Pashida, since I don't know how many teachers are in which school, I think roughly higher secondary schools ka, high schools ka, ashingak tada lothokpa matamda, shortfall she at least 5 to 6 teachers per school the lakedra, 500-600 teachers ki shortfall di leramunian kanje in this 132 schools. Details the yaujade, but it's just a rough calculation. 132 schools, there are only 822 including higher secondaries, high schools, upper primary, junior high schools and primary schools level. 500-600 strength short oiramgani. The other day I had suggested that teacher strength District Board of Education, the PB ready, because government ki constraints le, I understand. And she handak 500-600 teachers she PBO and namna tobam tam the people ngamro because financial constraints kanna lakpanina. This is the reason why I had suggested that if these teachers can be put into the central pool of the District Board of Education, then the district, within the district itself, the elected MLAs of the district, the educational staff, as well as the district administration, punchalagi yengraga area dugi matungana. Sometimes schools have been opened up haphazardly. Marakta 2 kilometers have been every 2 kilometers shimba matamda in a population of just 40 houses. Adrisha school amalejare in a population of 500 houses the school amakhakta leje. So then we streamline as to which school can cater to an area, pump in all the resources there, district the ledger. That was the reason why I was suggesting the other day that resources, limited resources, the District Board of Education, the Pijaraga, shortfall 500-600 teachers, the government provide. Within that provision, suggest now, respected speakers, utilization list, Pijare, I want a reply from the Honourable Member as to when these utilized teachers, which are in Annexure 1 and 2, I think there are 54 outside the district, and I think there are 23 within the district, which totals, I think, roughly 77. She, at the earliest, when can be the can they be repatriated back to the district? The other is 54 primary schools and another 20 upper primary schools were upgraded by the erstwhile government. These teachers are all being utilized elsewhere. When can these teachers be repatriated back? Immediately, at the earliest, with the discretion or under the discretion of the District Board of Education or the ZEO? She supplementary happening, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir, we oza pibagi norms. Class 1 5 labada ideally oza manga like class among oza mam like adubo satra yenga satra contra gumba kunvin contra ho like and having normal labin na satra later okay husi okay na piri se oza ani gumba piba oza tarahum no like tariat gumba piba vacancy so yam labanina satra ohum labor ani labor manga labor ayamana satra tara later school no tarahum no later other oza de manga later yadaba adugi award padu hana so in han so hajer mayam na pambiba suggest to virakpa honorable member mayam na akoi policy ama CM sena adu recruitment adagi akoi posting kai kai mayam dugi akoi kanna nainaraga mayam tana jaraga madu CM na hona jagi hauji kiti akoi satra masinga aduga ukrul gi satra masinga oza masinga yenguragadi oza amaga satra train thoi adu muk thunayeba adu thunaba satra gi ratio ga pupil and teacher ratio de yenguragadi yamba but school yam lay givenina kilometer from the school am lay haibina oza dum sing sooner later subject wise when yengurina adu gi problem do everywhere in the hill districts and also in some rural areas laybana madu akoi address tawnaba concerns and expectation do tawnaba akoi kan hona jage mayam tana jaraga aduga akoi utilize the way matang so at it is a garasiam utilize the novel area, we can honorary honoraga, loina maktu, tauna address on honazage, aduka detail mayam and the loin school yamrina mayam do a honorable member through honorable speaker, a Yahona Honazage, Natragana, no Masatam, I provide Tono Honazage. Thank you.
Respected Speaker, just one last clarification from the Honorable Minister. Ujik Habudu Ehak Nahai Kibudu that as per the population of the district, which is near to 2 lakhs, there is a student enrollment of at least 40 to 50,000. Now, as per the UDICE, it's just 9,741, which says that it's because there is a lack of teachers in these schools that the students are not enrolling themselves in the government schools. The moment these teachers actually are sent to the respective schools, just give it a year or two. I assured this House that the government schools and the government sector will be so successful that this credit will go to this government and to this House itself. So without sending the teachers and saying that there are no students, there is a population. Ukhrul district has a population of close to 2 lakhs today. So this is why I was requesting this honorable, respected speaker, to the honorable member, that send these teachers and let us try it out. And then we understand in the year or two whether it's working or not. Without giving the teachers, the students will never enroll themselves in these schools. Just that's it. Thank you, sir.
Has been noted, and we'll try to try our level best to address the concern. Thank you.
Next, start question number 74. Hangbigadawa, Honorable Member Sri S. Bira Singh.
Ka Chakpi Turel na Serogi Manipur River da Phuzinduna Ising Mokhat Handuna Wangu Chairen Nungu Moirang Mayang Imphal Hianglam na Chingba Amadi Pumlen area da su Thumjin Hanbasi Kokhanana Bakari Thorang Leibage.
Pakum Bibigadawa, Honorable Minister IFCD.
Start question 74 gi order. Housing Makki Oinadi Toydokba Concrete Oiba Haibatai Thorang ama paikhatpa leitri.
Her question si demand amsung ayagna mamang da hangi ba question namaga mari leinaba ni adubu hojik se sakpi turel gi na haijilaktuna Manipur turen da thingbadagi Bishunpur district ki amasung Kakching district ki kogi da leiriba sing asida ichau thokpadagi wakhib adugi maram aduna maram oiduna masi question se amuhanna aina mu thamjabani arbo ayana thamjariba maramdi koige masida koina thabak se paikhatlakpa matamda koige puningda aikoina masigi question se chimi honorable minister na khumbirakpa House has the Nainagiba Matamda प्रजासिंग से नुंगाइजरे यामना हराउनरे मरमदि इसिंग चावररोइको हाइबगी अनीसुबदा ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ना गुवाहाटीदा ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर गा उनबदा अवांग नोंपो स्टेट सिंगी इसिंग चाउन कोकनबगी पैसा करोड़ खरा पीबिरे हाइबसमुसु याम नुंगाइजरे कोई अदुबु मसिगी थबकसे कोई थमनिबा सिंगसे कोई थबक ओइना पांगथोकनबगीदमक्ता अहांग हाइजेखिबा मफम मदुदा कोई बिशनपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट की अमसुंग थौबाल अमसुंग कक्चिंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट की सिदा लैरिबा एमएलए सिंग सिगा लोइनना ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर नगा अमुक्तंग इसिंग खरा लैरिङैसिदा इसिंग चाउरिङैसिदा अमुक्तंग खरा थुना इंस्पेक्शन अमा चमिनरगा थबक ओइना तौसी हाइबगिदि अरेपदि लैरे अदुगा मसी कर्म मतमदा अमुक्तंग अतेनमा मतमदा नुमित अमा खक्तंग पीबीबा ओइरगदि प्रजासिंग याम हराउगने हैना थमजरी
फनी ताकपिरबा ऑनरेबल मेंबर ना मतम नुमित अफबम येंकांदा चथोअगा हजिकी एसु याम कंसान ओइबा पोट अमनी अस्वाइदा चावरक्तना तोरप नुपा अमा ओइबसिदा चकपी तुरेल सिगे मणिपुरीबा गे मरु ओइबा ट्रिब्यूटरी अमा ओइ एसु खंगे चकपी तुरेलगा सुगुनु हमगी अपस्ट्रीम दा सुगुनोदा मणिपुरी वर्ग पुल्ली असिमदि लोइना खंगा लेबा ngатani नोंजु था ददि चकपी तुरेल अकन बेसिंग सफु दुना मणिपुर गे इचेलगा इचेल से तपथा हली खंगे अदुना इसिंग चाउसी थोकपनी खली अदुना नोंगमा मतम चाबा अमदा सुसोय सोयदना चटमिनरा कांदा कैदोबा यागे तानरसी नसी थमजग
Mathangda, start question number 75. Hangbigadaba, Honorable Member Sri K.S. Vacation Singh.
Sir, start question 75.
A. Whether it is a fake that corporators of Imphal Municipal Corporation installed several solar lamps in 27 wards of IMC. B. If so, the total amount sanctioned for this purpose and name of the supplier. C. Total number of solar lamps purchased and cost per piece. And D. Whether all the solar lamps has been installed and whether it is permissible to install at private homes.
Pakum Bibigadaba, Honorable Minister Mahut.
Answer to start question number 75. A. Done by Ward Development Committee except in case of 1/8. B. Sir, rupees 11,60,000 for each watt. Supplier number 1, W. Ibol Singh and Son, Thangal Bazaar, Imphal. Number 2, Simply Solar Light, Kansipur MU, Imphal West. C. 1,026.36 per watt at the rate of rupees 25,000 per set. D. The work are under progress. It is not permissible to install at the private houses.
Supplementary amani dung thamjage sir. Sir, supply order sing si famani de pigri si poche loin mak deliver torok pa loi dribra. Sir, I see thamjari se answer D, the work in progress hai se. Kari gino hoji bobo lo shimlang amdri se. Aduna supply order se karam kan pigi no. Aduga thabak se hoji lo shanba ngamdri bagi maram se kari no. Karam kan bang munung de lo shan ni simtang hai bi sir.
Koigi hojiki thabak si progress ta moina sagi progress ta lairina sai cancel koi kan to ba koi mahodi pamena Imphal IMC corporation da thabak si koi deploy to sinaba thabak ni thanama ka moi su elected member body em leibani na moi gi da committee resolution phamma kanda moi gi tender process to thabak si piramba to da moi gi ade da loisandaba part khara badi sagi solar lighting install to bagi moi sai na pham ji koi lekai gi set to da mi set to na problem khara leiba adu idana moi ji in progress leraga adumba problem masa leibani aduga sige mayam ji no member da progress ki magi status report mai johan jarake
aina hangjabada ma chithara me supply order se karam kan pigi no supply pot sing si ngasai ward member sing tuna magi leibam gi chai na ba khale de kitang delay tawe da ya jare sir aina id supplier sina IMC the pot se loin mak deliver taw grabra pot se wa lebra only moi gi lam gi se na bai theng bra ta delivery theng bra tu takpi ha
econo to resa ai husi op handa magi pi gi there of issue do ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯤꯖꯣꯂꯨꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯐꯥꯎꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯣꯐꯦꯟꯗ ꯂꯩꯖꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯣꯅꯦꯕꯜ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯖꯔꯛꯀꯦ
ꯃꯊꯪꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯔꯠ ꯀ꯭ꯋꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯝꯕꯔ 76 ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯒꯗꯕ Honorable Member Sri Y. Surchandra Singh.
Sir, question number 76.
Ka Manipur Sarkar na hujik tonsiliba paisa kayano kha karamba source tagi haibadi RBI dagi amadi atopa financial institution amasung GPF na chingbadagi kaya kayano ga tha amada debt service ta sale kaya chatpage ga toliba senfum da contractor singna works ki security deposit thamba yaubra amasung nga yaudragana security deposit ki sarkar da leiriba punba senfum kayano
Paukum bibigadaba Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Finance.
Mr. Speaker, sir, question ka Manipur Sarkar na hojik tonsiliba paisa kaya no lupa koti lising taret ka chatret 100.42 aduga karamba source dagi habidi RBI dagi amadi atopa financial institution amasung GPF na chingbadagi kaya no apunwa sempam lupa koti lising taret ka chatret 100.42 aduga masigi details in annexure A da pijare adu thamada debt service ta sale kaya chapege thamada lupa koti cham yankhayum doi chali masida principal na cham ga tara 0.63 adu interest na lupa 42.37 crore tolibat sembam contractor singna works ki security deposit thamba yaubra yawi and the yaudagana security deposit ki sarkar da leiba punma senfam kayano not applicable.
Koi masi laina khangjen uje koi gi kanoguma koi gi masira payment dues ma payment dues is another kind of liability ni payment dues ali employee gi payment pidana leba tikadar gi bill payment leba basi su a kind of borrowing makhal mani masai yaurung ni thursday adagi koi ADB dagi borrowing tawhiwa legidabra Asian Development Bank dagi amana atopa mana state na khoi min purga NGO sing na purga mamang dadi state he guarantee to bol leiheba aduna adumagi state na guarantee to ba almost state na singdraga di khoi state na singadabasi yaubra yaudabra sima khangjani adagi second da khoi debt service ta thama da crore cham yakhayum dei sale puri bana lising teret ka chatret humudra mari hauji boro to de lere debt service da yam charpini na koi state resources si for other purpose koi phangmaji yam wat bani amarom da koi si ICU da oxygen birgal laibagu malisa almasi kari concrete steps si hadi debt service hantarak na ba masi kari concrete honari habina taba concrete kari step local irrigation matan khangjani ja.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I honorable member the kanom su thamjage honorable member su ngasagi aigi annexure si yamuna param dabsu ya masidi da mataka thamise outstanding fiscal liabilities as on 31/3/2016 ne ngasagi amram dai tagedi aina piriba ansa su yam appropriate oibenate member nang bibisi hojik ton silver paisa kya no haibani adumaki ansa dinate karigi no habda honorable member su khangbi rangani 2016-17 ge unless AG degi reconcile figure lagtagedi we cannot come to that correct figure aduna akhoi hojik torisu almost 1 year or 2 years behind the chapani aduga adudegi laga kano to boni ne hojiki leiba kano si chapani adu sida matam gi wena leiriba sida tawribasi 7,774.42 sina total liability ni sidai da loina maki as on standing at that time ngasagi amadai bulo so madumaki loina maki sida adum la agado poni ngasagi hariba kanu khoi pochi market loan haibu di da aide soina loin chala magani haina loi ngasai ADB gi karigi adu to da to ba adu ai madu subject to correction ni adu akhoi gi serial period figure se as on that adu gi matam de lemba total kanoni adu akhoi na hujipalda scenery si akhoi na che hujik chali si kano da revenue receipt ta akhoi plus capital receipt ta akhoi na phangib si tha amagi oina natro total gi oina lakpada chahi ki oin lakpada 12,510.61 chale lai adu whereas outflow da 12,286.92 lai 223.69 savings lai maduna su part of kano adum lakani adu ngasai gi honorable member na habi ba ngasai gi tolop ki na tra kari adu gi adagi haibedu di madu akoina outstanding debt oina lawu yaroi kari no da budget yaroi pisani budget gi adum payment to gi gadoni adu na tra gi haiba adu gi basis ta koina already koi kanu sei da lauruba kholuba koi tonjaliba sei da mayam details sama pije karai dei lawi kholi habdu ngasai gi annex sei da adu da loina pirebani adu na taba atai ngasai gi thambi gi ba tolop ki natra kanu gi pihuk da ba adu to ba to ba koi amarom da che kanu to ba mamangi chai da pihuk da ba kanu to ba gi salary khangde kai khangde adu gumbi da lakpata ge di madu di additional lakani but that will not come hujika figure sei lawi adu hande ki se lakta ke di 2018 de lakta ke di madu ki figure do kya legi ke na koi khang do se most likely 2018-19 ki lower padai da na ta 2019-20 ke adai da lakne pa kari gi no have madu ki figure lakha do di AG de gi reconcile figure do la kan da exact figure do akoi adu khang ngoni ai swai to ai thamjage
akoi gi state guarantee gumba payment due masli soden yormoi it is another a kind of koi burden ne have ni da koi na it is simple thing da yorum ngali te yorum have ni ani ADB gi sri koi Asian Development Bank ti huji project khar pai ri ba Manipur state ta masi gi borrowing jinga ke detail makar nexer sira ADB gi si yobu da ba ani market loan sri Reserve Bank na on behalf of the state government fraud to budune sira asi yoro heri siba ani ama topuma honorable speaker sir kumamna the subjective concrete measures kari makhara koi a tax base expand to no bi kari concrete measures khara lokot pi bra hebung hamuri madu kitang enlighten to be would be so thankful
hojiki honorable member na habi ADB gi matang yam kan insist to bi do ai yong teng jege ai haije na figure si as of 2015-16 gi figure ni adu check to krai da yaw da ba ngasai gi market loan ai si da yaw da gi kadam da yaw gi koki haibne singma ai yenga ai tigatga adu haijege adu ga ngasai gi ai ba amount si di adu khangbi ba ni koina program plan to ga su khol ga su asi singdo pudi yaro unless we decide koi gi amon dai de sin light up work ni lebak si yon thoga du kan tok sirai ba adu su that is not cannot be done adu ai koi yarge di one time kanu tonu bai na masi gi si ko han bai na koi gi honorable CM house ki leader su honorable prime minister India ki prime minister da masi kan takneri adu gi du successful oige di ekoi adum phajana du ekoi kokpa ngam gani haibagi wafam si ai sumai tong thamjage
mathangi start question number 77 hangbigadowa honorable member Sri Surya Kumar Okram.
Sir, start question number 77.
A. Whether it is a fake that the government is planning to announce free education for girls in all institutes from nursery to graduate level. B. Whether the government is planning to enhance budget allocated for the education sector and open new colleges, schools for girls in the state in the current fiscal year. And C. The action taken by the government in this regard.
Pakum Bibigadabana, Honorable Minister Education.
Honorable Speaker, sir, start question number 77, Roman A. No. Roman B, no. Roman C doesn't arise.
Sir, supplementary amakata. Education Department ki demand discussion mamang da phangagadi phangna bahin thajing da dubu asi pibire na anju demand discussion da mate ama naina kre sir. Sir, aina hangjagi bisi akoi government ki plan koi ki nupi macha singi oiba nursery to graduate foki free education pibagi plan leibra hai na question number A sida hangjagi ne sir. Masi aina relate tawjare lipsi akoi nupi macha sing maru oina lairaba imung dagi haurakpa nupi macha sing ki achauba hope ama laigiba sir. Akoi February panbiri ba government sigi vision gi makhada February 19 da Honorable Union Minister Sri Rajnath Singh na vision document am khongi sir. Masida give free education to women till graduation hai. The vision document sigi detail gi makhada 6.1 education and research ki makhada providing free education for women from nursery to graduation haiduna sir sumaina yaukhiba sir aduna akoi hawgalagliba nupi macha sing lariki hiramda maru oina lairaba imungdagi polokpa imung singchigi de asa yamna chawba ma laigiba sir masina akoi sir masi huzik huzikidi laitri hai sir adu karamba matamda karamba thada karamba chahida masi happy bagi plan laibage haibadu makak sir khangjaninda hangma thank you sir.
Honorable Speaker sir, hojiki oina nupi macha singi pre education laibase nursery da 0 dagina 5 faugi si under akoigi anganwadi gida social welfare department ki makhada sima free laser and class 1 to 8 sina under SSA class sahi taruk tege tara mari gi age group ta si akoi free education pijere angang pimcha singi 9 10 ramsa scheme gi makhada si akoi particular sex am target to na tab loina ma ki free oi banina right to education act ki makhada leibna ma sima akoi kano lei si bawde pijere do hojik phawda up to class 10 phawgi level phawdang provision lei aduga mamangda national akoi whatever akoi gi education policy si national policy on education 1986 aduga asigi makhada satharakpa program of action 1992 gi makhada hairiba provision si leiba adon hojik ki oina disi leijari adubu new education policy ama draft tawnaba government of india na kanna 2016 nei paikhalakpada akoi gi su manipur dagi comment bibiro hena akoi already 2016 da iraga pi khiba leire adu matung na new policy du lagadi adu gumbagi include tawrok kholakpa leiragadi adu kanna akoi intimate tawjake adu natragadi hojik phawgi di deadline timeline pi bagi akoi policy da leijadabani na house da pizza bangam jaro hen thamjake thank you.
Matangda start question number 78 hangbigadaba honorable member Sri T.S. Lokeswar Singh akum bibigadaba honorable minister IFCD.
Mr. Speaker sir, agi start question number 7 da ese mamang da koi demand discussion da barik chumna honorable minister na thambi gram nai question sei withdraw tawjare duga sei point khara heng kana approbation da adam bai hajara ga na thank you very much.
Matangda start question number 79 hangbigadaba honorable member Sri R.K. Imo Singh.
Speaker sir, start question 79.
A. Whether the government has implemented the 6th pay commission for aided school teachers, and B. If not, the time by when it is going to be implemented.
Paukum bibigadaba honorable minister education.
Honorable Speaker sir, start question number 79 clause A no, clause B does not arise.
Sir, masi aina demand discussion da su hana kano su puthok sagrabne do nahan honorable minister na masi answer se pi sum yamak panina si thauba manba adu question si budi hana di hangdokrabne na adu lady basi sir chumme se financial health ta kano tawe du yamna kuina leira abnina already 7th pay se lakh torabne adu na 7th pay lakh torab se da moi 6th pay pi da bhai si yamna kano oigedo adu na masi financial condition se kano phatraga su kadai degi no thibiraga masi amuk tangdi thuna chana hanaba tawbiyu haidna ismain thabjis.
Honorable Speaker sir, hausi akoi 6 pay ROP aided school employees si akoi consider tawna kanna akoi pressure pi dana aduga tongan ba forum kya da akoi government gi khana dana leibne adu financial health of the state kitang mong ta da hojik phau da akoi gi valley ga hill ga pullaga akoi school aided ki da yam leisa sigi manung da akoi budget da yaur si aided school gi provision 34.79 crore yawba aduga akoi na spend to sina 32 something adu crore asimuk changba adu karigumba akoi na masi aided school sing si pi bataragadi another 26 crore guma involved torokgi yabagi fium leiba aduna masi leibrina akoi finance department ko tana jare hoji ki oina di anauba kano leitri phaugi di pi bangambagi position leite na thamjage thank you.
Makha tabada start question number 80 hangbigadabana honorable member Sri P. Brojin Singh.
Sir, start question number 80.
A. Whether there is any plan to bifurcate CD block in the Belly districts, and B. If so, the status of Wangjing CD block.
Paukum Bibigadavana Honorable Minister RD NPR.
Speaker sir, start question number 80 gi question si akhoi hauji makki di akhoi further akhoi bifurcation tawgi di leitaba du ha na mamang di leikiba aduna hauji ki akhoi akhoi present da kuna lakpani na akhoi no haina dum khumjarage aduka akhoi makhada piriba B sina akhoi Wangjing gi CD block sigi my status si siga mari na hangpani na akhoi na does not arise na dumana dum khumjaba aduka any further clarification
Speaker sir, Wangjing CD block bifurcation is like the attack period, sir. No, I said, Quay Hariba CD block, sir, stop cross with Habire. Ado, awat by stop video Gumbasikaram Bakandaki, sir, Habiraktori, no, Duga, compound pension Gumbasikaram Kandaki, Hobiga, no, Madam Tambu, sir. Thank you.
Speaker sir, Kogi, Lariba, I can soon and so quick cannot give discussion that Tamjakrabnedo. अखोई लैरिबा स्टाफ से पुनः सैंक्शन लैरिबा पोसी 11 नि अदुग मनुंग दि स्टाफ खरदी लैरे अदुगा अखोई लैरिबा बीडीओसी अखोई डीपी ना अखोई पोस्टिंग पिगदबा अदु अखोई डीपी दा अखोई इजकरे पिबिरोना अदुगा जूनियर बीडीओ गेदी अखोई एमपीसी ना अखोई प्रमोशन पिनना बगे अखोई अयाबा मित्रा तो कि पिर अबनेना थुन म पिरगा अदुगा जूनियर बीडीओ हाना पिसलकाना अखोई बीडीओ दु पिरगा अखोई फंक्शनल ओयना बा अखोई याम कन्ना not only si khakta natana block kuma panda koi problem si le 2011 do bifurcation torga aduna masi ko yam thuna ona jarge do chigi infrastructure ki matang de koi honorable leader of house na masi gi leriba posi maru oi bani tawde ada bani hadana block si maru oi rural area gi hadana koi gi paisa khar de ha pe hariba resource na koi gi loina mak tuan block sim da ka lebi gi matung ina koi gi paikha kani na de maina dum thamjarage. Thank you sir.
Makha Satyajana. Start question number 81. Hangbigadava Honorable Member Sri K.S. Vacation Singh.
Sir, question 81.
A. Whether the department allows the execution of work before the work order is given. B. If so, the conditions under which such works are executed. And C. The list of the ongoing works in National Highways Division 1.
Pakum Bibigadavana Honorable Minister of Works.
Because answer to start question I do answer A the yes, B the some works of the emergency nature may be taken off under relevant clauses of the PCPWD works manual. Because C the na akogi enclosed of the arena the main exeda the main thamjage. Thank you.
Supplementary amendment thamjage sir. Sir huji si nasagi answer bigi sida emergency nature ni haraga PWD na wa order pidana su piba thabak suba leibra leirega di kadai waitano maduma takpiu sir saraduga si gi answer sida thabak taruk wa order pi gre ni pipire sir thabak taruk singse sir masigi chenne sida sanction tawba leitabra masigi source of funding si kadai deno sir aduga masi wa order si karam mong the pigi restricted tender toroga pigi bra government manipur na anova sarkar si lakpadagi restricted tender tobogi permission pigra ba sir aduga amana sir akhoi gi private company singdagi national highway 1 da cable phumbagi paisa deposit tore na tajai sir hariba deposit tore ba paisa du wa order pigra ba thabak su graba su dragana kari manam gi su tabno dum tang habiu sir
chatharaga phaba orro hadana masi government gi akoi national highway gi funding orga su aduga akoi state government gi manung state government gi manung da leiba jurisdiction da leiba ni masi sem da ba yade haiba gi departmental akoi khana jabam leiba adu maroina ko national highway gi chana bida haibi stress ama sida akoi gi fund ama pi khraga di akoi gi magi restoration natraga अखोगी फन की पीदबगी चनबी अमा लेबना फन पिरक्तबसिना मरम ओरगा अखोई लंबी सुम सुम नोमगी नोमई सोक्चलकपा अदुना पीआईएल गा लाकपा मतमदरा अखोइना मागी अखोई मैनुअल दा पीरिबा अखोगी चीफ इंजीनियर की कनो अमा पीरी अखोगी मागी पावर अमा क्लोज 2.2 of the section 2 of the CPWD works manual 2014 जिदा सिगी मतुंगिना अखोइना इमरजेंसी लाउथोय हर kana गवर्नमेंट दा थारे हकना गवर्नमेंट ना खनरगा अप्रूवल पीखिबनी अदुगा पीरिबा वर्किंग से अखोई quotation by quotation da thabak suba hogibani aduga not yet akoi kano tawdi adu hariban niyong sigi matung inasu akoina any work pakatpa matam da emergency lautokpa matam da akoi quotation da tawba yai adu wa order pidruga su akoina mafam da side chalaga mi akoi leriba so call akoi contractor sing na akoina mane quotation da akoina thabak suba adum hogibani na adumana adum thamjage adu ngasagi akoi OFC gi leriba posi deposit torkiba lay ado lorkiba posi akoi thabak pakatpa hore wa order pithokre aduga akoi hoji on in progress da layena adumana thamjage thank you sir
OFC gi wa order pigisi karamba phamda wa order pibige sir sidadi aingonda listed torpasdi yawa thengnajadaba sir aduga masi karamba tender tawraga wa order pibige sir madum tanga tambiu sir
koi ngasagi question du da koi mari lenana koi gi lariba ongoing emergency gi oibra hadana koi na listed tawjiki banai hoji house ke through da dum all the details of the work kano koi national highway division wa gi da tap koi OFC gi oiro nadraga koi state plan jing da pakat pa jing da koi list dum koi house ke da hoji hoji dum ai pijage na thamjage aduga house ki lari posi restricted tender because koi gi lariba maintenance norms of the work is somewhere koi gi sebinyana dum anadagi lariba posi da koi ODR gum FDR gum se tawraga lakpanina magi president ama oina koina dum restricted tender tawrakanda national highway jing da koi hana suba expert lariba mi hosing da koina pijage ni madugi list to ai thamjage na thamjage sir thank you
provision da tawbiro